Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So hope you're all doing good. So in this video I would like to share a shopping vlog. Where am I? I'm in a shop called First Fashions, which is in Sector 9, Musafa. So come, let's go into the video. This is a shop only for ladies. So are you all excited? Come, let's go into the video. Yes, now we are going inside the shop. Let's see like what are all available in this shop. Hello, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you?
Fine.
Yeah. So I just came to the shop. So I wanted to know like what are all what are all materials available in your shop?
We have all materials. Actually, this is Pakistani shops, fabric shop. This is all brand Pakistani brands is all available, and also materials available like this one is also printed material. Is normal material and normal range. This range is minimum 50 dirham. Is casual. Is like this and also
This is 50 dirhams, huh?
is 50 dirham. That embroidered lawn shawl with branded suit also 75 dirham. Like this lawn shawl with branded suit, and also inside famous brand Karachi brand famous Swiss lawn in Swiss lawn is also available like this, and also lawn shawl Swiss material A+ material.
Right. So you have embroideries
Yes.
here.
And we
very
have
nice.
also Pakistani brands like Subata, Tawakkal, Floral Fragrantia, Ambreen, Gul Ahmad, Maheen Kareem. Also all brands is available now. Lawn, in chiffon also available now.
What are all this kind of?
This kind of chiffon material.
Okay.
It's like this embroidered chiffon material. It's Baruch open chiffon material. We have also branded designer suits also available now in stock. Like this. It's complete dress.
Oh,
Formal
like
dress.
all complete formal.
Yes.
Okay.
We have also ready-mades there.
Can you please show some ready-mades?
Yes, of course. We have all Pakistani Indians also like available in casual dress like this. It's embroidered.
This is all embroidery.
Yes.
So we can wash it, nothing will happen, right?
Lawn material, lots of designing of
Cotton?
cotton jacquard. It's self fabric.
Okay.
And now behind me like this is also fancy dresses is available like a wedding bridal, Indian bridal, Pakistani bridal, all these branded suits available. And
So this is all bridal, right?
Light material you want like this is for this one is also Penaj designer suit.
It's designer suits, huh?
Yes.
It's a long gown.
Yes, like a long gown. We have also colors available in now this design.
All colors are there. All
design.
light colors.
Yes, also more of designs available. And
It's
behind
very
me
nice.
like a fancy full gown.
See, there are so many colors are available, the same design, and you can just come and have a look on this. It's very pretty. It's a long gown.
Heavy gown. like
What's this?
fancy material.
Heavy?
Heavy, yes.
Heavy gown.
Heavy gown.
Heavy gown. Ah,
Gown.
okay. It's a like a party wear, right?
Party wear. It's also colors available and designing more than available. It's only
All colors are available. Huh? What about the sizes?
this one gown size is a free size, but we have also medium, large, XL available.
You have also medium large.
Medium, large, XL available
Okay.
in these articles. This one is only free sizes.
Only free size.
Only free size.
If we can alter if we want
Yes,
to.
of course. It will be under side of margin available now.
Ah, okay.
This one is chiffon material.
Chiffon material.
Chiffon is also designer material, but stitching is for first fashion.
Ah, you did. Your
Yes,
company did.
Your company or unit stitching. Many of designing, many of colors. Also nice material.
What is your range of materials, like with starting from what range to what range?
Material range is starting of 50 dirham, and ready-made is starting of 175 dirham. And we selling most good discount for
Customers. That's good. What you will also give discount for this kind of
all
dresses,
items
right?
is discounted available. All items.
So you have to give discount for my subscribers also.
Yes, of course, of course.
Okay.
Special discount we will make
That's nice.
for your subscribers.
Subscribers, yes.
This one is casual dresses, daily wear. But
It's all daily
is-
wears.
Material is also A plus. It's complete dresses, 3 pieces suits, trousers, shawls, everything is available.
It's very nice. They also have so much of stocks available, because in case if you like the same colors, and you can get it over here. They have available materials, and there are so much of colors and colorful things are there in this shop. So hope you all liked it, and definitely you have to come to this shop, because it's so nice to see so much of things available, and it's colorful. And you know, like we can, if we are going outside, and if we need something, everything, like we can buy it here. And definitely, and moreover, I just wanted to say, I just got some information, and they are supplying chudidar materials and chudidars also to Lulu,
Yes, of course.
right?
Yes, of course.
Yeah. So only from here the Lulu is also getting stocks. So you can just come to the shop and have a view. There are also some collections for kids are available. So I'm gonna try for Rutra, definitely one dress. So you can just have a view. So this is the only few materials, or you have a lot?
No, more of designs, lots of designs are available for girls, and we are updating our articles design by festivals like Diwali, like Eid. We are updated.
Ah, okay, fine. So you also have for kids, right?
Yes, of
So guys, I think girls, definitely you should try this shop. And in case if you find some difficulties in the sizes, we also have a tailoring section available. So Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
So he will be doing the alteration and giving you instantly. जी आपका नाम?
जावेद।
आप क्या क्या स्टिच करता हूँ आप?
नॉर्मल पाकिस्तानी सूट ड्रेस, शलवार कमीज, ट्राउज़र, साड़ी, ब्लाउज सब स्टिच होता है।
आप ब्लाउज स्टिच करते हो?
हाँ, ब्लाउज भी, साड़ी भी, नॉर्मल सलवार कमीज, ट्राउज़र, पैंट, चूड़ीदार, हर चीज़ बनती है।
हाँ ठीक है, शुक्रिया। So I hope you all enjoy this video, and there are so many collections, so many colorful collections are available, and definitely you should try this shop. And I'm gonna buy some suits for me, so in case if I wanted to go for my friend's home or some relatives home or some public places, so it will be very decently looking. And definitely I'm gonna try this. I already bought one, the dress which I am wearing, I bought it from here. So that's why I just wanted to take a video of this shop. So you all will be also having some idea. And also I just wanted to say is, like during this Eid time, you will get so much of good collections, and especially like party wears and all those things, you will be getting it. And so you just try this. Also have a trial room over here, and after just buying, you can just try it, and then you can decide which is okay or not. And in case if you wanted to do some alteration, immediately you can give it to the tailor and you can alter it. So guess you like this video, and definitely you're gonna visit this shop. The name of the shop is First Fashions, and which is located in Sector 9, Shabia Mustafa. So do try this shop, and I got some discount also. I bought some 2-3 dresses, so I bought discount. So definitely they'll also give you a discount. So don't forget to come to the shop, and let me know how is this in the comment section. And if you like the video, just hit the like button. and don't forget to subscribe the channel Honey's Creations and click the bell icon so you can see my next video notifications. Okay, bye bye, see you all on my next video. So my shopping is done. Bye bye.